welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. This is Michelle, if you're new here. Today I thought we'd do a mini review of the Cor De Rosa Sigma palette. And I also have the blush palette. Let's start with the eyes first. I am gonna take my Sigma Diffuse Crease E38, go into Hybrid, which is this pink corally look right here. Put that in my crease. Then I'm going to take my Sigma Detail Blending Brush. It is the E27. And I'm going to go into Medallion, which is right here. And I'm going to go into my outer V. I'm going to take that diffuse crease brush again and go into Veranda, which is this cream color, and try to mute it, blend it out. That came out pretty. Then I'm gonna take my shader, the E55, and go into Campfire, which is this color right here, and try to get that on the lid. I'm gonna go off camera and put on my mascara. Done my mascara. That's it for the eyes. I'm not gonna do anything. Oh, I have my new Marc Jacobs eyeliner. This is in the color The Buff. Got that on. I don't go underneath my eyes with eyeshadow. I have a tendency of getting the brush in my eye. I'm not very skilled. Let's use the blush palette. Comes with 6 blushes. And looks like this. I'll get your swatches. Let's go into Cor De Rosa. Very pigmented. Alright, I got the blush on. I like it. I like the blushes. And I'm going to put on a nudie pink lip. This is MAC's Bosom Friend. Probably should have went with something more warm. Let's take this lip off. And I'm gonna go in with MAC's Jubilee. That's better. Looks better. I'm not sure if this lipstick is... It's a luster. So I'm not sure if it's limited edition or not. I'll look it up. Put it in the box. I like the palette. Let's talk about that. I think this is a beautiful palette for the summer. Not something I would wear on the day-to-day to work, but on the weekends I could get into this. I'm more of a neutral when it comes to work, but this is nice. It's not overly bright or too funny colors, the terracottas and pinks. It's really pretty. The blush palette is very nice as well. 6 blushes. I thought the application was good. It's very pigmented, so go in with a light hand, a very light hand. And that's it. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.